Today, I'll show you how to stream games as a short vertical video using OBS Studio. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. We need to change the display resolution to vertical format. Go to Settings, then click on Video. Here, change the base resolution from 1280 by 720 to 720 by 1280. Now click Apply, and then click OK. Next, we need to connect OBS Studio to YouTube. In this video, I'll use the Account Connect method. I'll explain the Stream Key method in the next video. Choose your account, then click Continue. And that's done. Now let's create scenes. For the first scene, I'll add my logo. Click the plus icon, choose Image, and click Browse to select your logo. If you want, you can also add your webcam here. You can use hotkeys to switch between scenes. Now, let's create the second scene for the game. Click Add New, choose Game Capture, select your game window, and click OK. Resize and adjust the game to fit the screen. I'm using F12 to switch between scenes. Now we're ready to stream. Click Start Streaming. Then click Manage Broadcast. Add your title and fill in your video details. Click Create Broadcast. Now you can see your live chat inside OBS Studio. Click Start Streaming again to go live. Switch to your game and start playing. After you finish playing, switch back to your logo or webcam scene. Click Stop Streaming and select Yes. After the stream ends, you can watch your video in YouTube Studio under the Live section. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.